Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the Android Easter egg inside Settings About Phone. Tapping the Android version rapidly triggers the hidden graphic. Once it appears, press and hold the egg icon until the contextual menu shows Widget or Add options. Make sure your home screen has space and that you're on the page where you want the widget placed. You're doing this now to avoid extra steps. These actions place the widget source, so you can continue with customization and placement immediately. Once done dragging the widget onto your chosen home screen, you customize its size by long pressing and pulling the handles. This adjusts visibility and layout. You'll see a live preview as you resize, so make incremental changes and ensure icons don't overlap. Next, tap the widget to open any interactive Easter egg features. This reveals the playful animations or minigames that justify using the widget. Make adjustments until it fits your workflow, and remember why you picked that spot: quick access and visual balance. To finalize, test the widget by tapping and interacting 2 to 3 times so you confirm animations and touch responses work as expected. If the widget fails to appear or disappears after reboot, remove it and re-add from the widget picker, or restart the launcher to refresh state. If resizing or responsiveness remains broken, clear the launcher cache in App Info and replace the widget. This often restores proper behavior. One key tip: restart the phone if issues persist, then reapply the widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.